you talk behind the art. It's not the visual, that is beautiful or something like that. What is behind your art that you want to share with people, that is more important, I think. When I came back to Indonesia, my artwork tend to focus on about stories about the people around me, happenings around me. Lately, the focus is towards identity, towards globalization, towards racism, towards xenophobia. Like what you see here is a continuation of my work on identity, on the marginalized people.
Akhir tahun kemarin atau beberapa, ya nggak nyampe setahun inilah, kami pernah mengundang Bibiana buat pameran di sini. Karyanya waktu itu sansak berwarna hitam dan putih, tulisannya "Hate is a virus". Semenjak itu jadi tahu pencariannya Bibiana tentang perkara Black Lives Matter sebenarnya, dan generally speaking tentang rasisme. Obrolan-obrolan pinggiran atau cicilan yang gue punya sama Bibiana tuh lebih ke arah kalau apakah permasalahan ini masuk akal dibicarakan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kalau kita lihat semua teks yang ada di ruang pamer ini berbahasa Inggris. Apakah dalam konteks sebagai bangsa Indonesia persoalan rasisme itu nyata? Apakah bukan soal kesukuan atau etnis yang nyata di dalam kenyataan hidup kita sebagai bangsa Indonesia? Ada pertanyaan-pertanyaan itu, dan kalau melihat prakteknya Bibiana mungkin setahun 2 tahun terakhir, menarik juga sebenarnya secara langsung menaruh apa yang dia kerjakan di ruang pamer ini berhadap-hadapan sama apa yang dikerjakan di Art Jog. Karena di sini warna nggak ada sama sekali, sementara di Art Jog nggak ada hitam dan nggak ada putih, semuanya warna gitu.
In 2021, I collected images of hands from people from all over the world. So I asked people to contribute their hand images in color. But for this exhibition, I decided to take away the color because it's to focus. I find that when we take away the color, the skin color of people, then we focus on the humanity, so that we don't focus on the skin color, then thinking that there would be less discrimination, there would be less racist tendencies when you take away the skin color. I use a lot of text in this works here, but in this one I put phrases that I want to trigger people, to trigger the individual to ask themselves what the phrases on the canvas, on the boards say, or to trigger conversations between community. So it's more like that. As a Chinese, as a minority in this country, minority often gets treated as second-class citizens, yeah, especially in Indonesia during the Suharto era, and then especially during the what they call that election period. So we experienced that a lot. The Chinese in Indonesia don't only experience that now, but it's been there forever since the colonial times as well. So there's been disruptions in the community all the time, yeah. But racism is and hate towards a race, the minority, is always ongoing. It's a latent thing. It takes very little to trigger that to become something very big. Yeah. Chinese is a minority in Indonesia, but in other countries, like say if you are a Muslim in Burma, the Rohingya, they also get treated, the minority, they always get this treatment of discrimination. not being fair towards them. So it's like a poster, but it's not a poster. So it's just that I want people to read the text, and then hopefully it triggers something in them. It brings some awareness